In this video, I will explain how to track your progress in ESC Spectrum Academy. You can easily track your program progress in a number of ways. To quickly review your progress, use the progress item at the right of your dashboard. Here are the various ways to track your progress. Overview, which provides a general view of your courses in progress, completed courses, training times, badges, certifications, and activity, and a progress overview. Courses show your progress, enrollment, and completion date by course. Certifications show your completed certifications. You'll receive a certification for each course you complete. Badges show your completed badges. You'll receive badges as you complete multiple courses. The timeline shows a log of all of your activities, and the infographic shows the information provided in the overview in a visual format. Export in Excel allows you to export your results in an Excel format. After completing each course, you will receive a link in your inbox that provides a downloadable certificate.